Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today let's discuss how to add product to Shopify from AliExpress. So you can't do it directly because you need an application to connect those two platforms. And the most popular one is Deezers, which is actually AliExpress official partner for dropshipping. So go to your Shopify dashboard, then open App Store or Google Play and install Deezers. Once installed, you can connect your AliExpress account to Deezers so that two accounts can talk to each other, let's call it like that. Now head over to AliExpress and browse for a product that you like. And with Deezers, you can import that product to your Deezers dashboard with just one click. From there, you can edit the product before it goes live. So you can change the title, for example, change pricing, edit the description of the product, and even change some photos so that your store looks more professional and not just copy-pasted. And when you're happy with it, you can push the product from Deezers to Shopify store, and it instantly appears as part of your catalog. From that point, when a customer buys the product from your Shopify store, Deezers automatically places the order with the AliExpress supplier, fills in your customer's address, shipping address, and tracks shipping for you. That way you never touch inventory yourself because it's all handled by the supplier. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.